Golden milk, ChatGPT Rotirista. Imagine a single sip that transforms your health. Pain, gone. Inflammation, under control. Immunity, boosted. That's the power of golden milk, an ancient drink blending tradition with science to deliver health benefits you won't want to miss. If you're looking for a natural way to feel better, stay tuned. Today, we're uncovering everything about this golden elixir, from its ancient roots to its incredible effects on the modern body. Ready to unlock the secret behind this powerful drink? Let's dive in. The name alone evokes warmth and a sense of well-being. This vibrant beverage, with its roots deep in Indian traditions, has journeyed through centuries, carrying with it the wisdom of ancient healing practices. More than just a drink, golden milk is a testament to the power of nature's pharmacy, offering a holistic approach to health and vitality. For generations, golden milk has been a staple in Indian households, cherished for its comforting properties and remarkable health benefits. Mothers would lovingly prepare this golden elixir for their families, knowing that each sip held the potential to soothe, heal, and strengthen. Its preparation was a ritual, a testament to the reverence with which natural remedies were held. Today, golden milk is experiencing a well-deserved resurgence in popularity as people around the world rediscover its potent benefits. Modern science is beginning to unlock the secrets behind this ancient beverage, confirming what traditional healers have known for centuries. Golden milk is a true gift of nature, a simple yet powerful elixir with the potential to transform our health and well-being. The magic of golden milk lies in its simple yet powerful blend of ingredients: turmeric, milk, and aromatic spices. Each component contributes its unique properties, creating a harmonious synergy. At the heart of golden milk is turmeric, the golden spice with remarkable healing properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin transforms golden milk into a therapeutic elixir. Milk provides a creamy base that complements turmeric and spices. A medley of warming spices completes the golden milk experience. Cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and black pepper are popular additions. These spices aid digestion, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is the golden key that unlocks the true healing potential of golden milk. This potent polyphenol possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a valuable ally in the fight against a wide range of health conditions. Inflammation can become chronic and contribute to diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Curcumin targets pathways that lead to chronic inflammation, reducing the risk of these conditions. It also acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can damage DNA and contribute to aging and disease. Curcumin neutralizes these harmful molecules, promoting overall health and longevity. Studies continue to uncover curcumin's vast therapeutic potential. From improving heart health to boosting brain function, curcumin is a powerful natural remedy. Section 4. A history steeped in tradition. Golden milk's origins can be traced back thousands of years to the ancient healing traditions of India. Ayurveda, the traditional system of medicine practiced in India for over 5,000 years, recognizes turmeric as a powerful healing herb and incorporates it into various remedies for a wide range of ailments. In Ayurvedic practices, golden milk, often referred to as haldi doodh, is revered for its warming, nourishing, and healing properties. It is traditionally consumed before bedtime to promote restful sleep, ease digestive discomfort, and boost immunity. Golden milk is also used to alleviate cold and flu symptoms, soothe sore throats, and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Beyond its medicinal properties, golden milk holds a special place in Indian culture and tradition. It is often prepared for special occasions and celebrations, symbolizing warmth, hospitality, and well-being. The act of preparing and sharing golden milk is a ritual that strengthens bonds and fosters a sense of community. Section 5. Modern science embraces an ancient elixir. While golden milk has been cherished for its healing properties for centuries, modern science is now beginning to unravel the secrets behind its efficacy. Numerous studies have confirmed the potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, providing scientific validation for the traditional uses of golden milk. Research has shown that curcumin can effectively reduce inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Studies have also demonstrated curcumin's ability to protect against oxidative stress, further supporting its role in promoting overall health and longevity. Furthermore, research suggests that golden milk may offer a range of additional health benefits, including improved brain function, reduced joint pain, and enhanced mood. While more research is needed to fully understand the full spectrum of golden milk's benefits, the existing evidence strongly suggests that this ancient elixir holds tremendous promise for modern health and well-being.
Was this video helpful? Don't forget to subscribe and share so more people have access to this information and can take better care of their health. See you in the next video.